Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove Game Center app from Android mobile. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to remove the Game Center in your Android device here, well, this one is quite easy. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and open up settings here, and you want to go ahead and just look for apps. So you need to scroll down a bit here until you see it. Go ahead and just press or click on it. Now, at the top right of the screen, you should see a three-dotted icon here. Go ahead and just press or click on it. And in here, you want to go and click on Other Settings. Now, in Other Settings here, you want to go and just choose the option that says Manage Home Screen Shortcuts. Now, in here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and look for Game Center, and you want to go and just make sure to disable Game Center here. Now, once you've done that, it's going to say remove the home screen shortcut for you. Go ahead and just click on Remove. Now, the thing with Game Center here, this is a default app that is included on some Android devices, and you won't be able to totally remove it. But the great thing about this one is we are actually hiding it from our Android device. So it's not going to, let's just say, take up space in your home screen here and possibly not clicking on it accidentally. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.